was pushed off right at the start. Looks like a team effort. Expecting 5 plates. Once they go to push another red off. The Sparkles pushing some teams around. Looks like once they go for another red, they get it off. The Sparkles looking to clear some teams out of that zone. Let's give them a lot. 35 seconds. You may not switch drivers. As we get to 25 seconds, you can now switch drivers. Looks like everything's going for a full mark. The Sparkles in the zone are trying to make some room for their teammate. Can they both make it in? With 10 seconds left, the Sparkles have a full mark. Must take 3 with a mark. Again, 5 seconds left in the match. Both teams are marked. They're all around and pushed off of their posts. Q70, you're on the Spirit Build. We have 81556A, the Sexy Nexus.